I'm sorry for late.
They're starting at Watney Market. I need to know.
Okay.
Good to see you.
We need spoon, you know, the plastic spoon.
Yes.
My wife made biryani for us.
Okay, that was nice of your wife. Plastic spoon.
Yeah. We have to collect it.
Okay. Do you know somewhere to get it from?
Maybe.
I'll call Ben and maybe
Yeah.
he can get some in the market.
Okay.
This is a Watney Market.
Might be on YouTube. It'll be a YouTube star.
Say something. Where we are today,
Hello
Nathan?
to the channel, or whatever this is, the blog. We are on Reigate Hill at an altitude of about 100 meters. Just about got enough oxygen. I'm coping okay.
It is actually a beautiful place, believe me. And it will be a great work today.
Yes.
And
Beautiful.
if you think about the weather, it's a great day today. Are you okay, John?
I'm all right, thank you.
What about the weather today?
It's beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
Beautiful.
Doesn't get better. Man. We put our order in early for the weather, so I'm glad that worked out.
Yeah. Is this the start of the walk, Nathan?
This is the start of the walk, yeah.
All right, good.
Let's go.
Let's
Come
go.
Hello. Nathan, what's the name of that bird?
Which one? Ooh.
So your entire life?
Yes.
And these trees were, you heard of the English longbow?
Longbow.
Longbow,
Longbow.
yeah. So we had some famous battles against France.
Yes, yes.
And the English use big bows.
Yes,
So
both.
the arrow goes a long,
So
long way.
they use this one.
They're made from this kind of tree because you get these very long, you get long straight branches
Yes.
that have got a good bend in them. So they would plant lots of yew trees to make bows.
Really?
And at that time,
I didn't know that.
they made football. Football was illegal.
Football was illegal.
Football was made illegal so that you had to
Oh.
practice your
I-
archery.
Is it? Yeah. Oh. Of course. Guys, we're in Reigate Hill in Surrey. It is one of the top place, beautiful place. We are working in Reigate Hill, and it is a beautiful working truck. And can you see the tree? Both side, right and left, and my left hand side, it is very, very deep. I don't know how many people lost their life, but it is actually very dangerous. Very dangerous. When you work alone, you have to be careful because it's very sloppy, very sloppy. And we are very lucky. Today is a very beautiful day. It's not muddy, it's not sleepy.
It's dry, yeah.
Yeah, it's dry. There is another truck, another route.
Yeah. That one, they ran next to each other.
Yeah.
Just wait for the other one.
We are going to see the hut, the small buildings.
Let's go.
Let's go. Find out something. Hello, anybody's there? ESWC. Nothing there. Nothing. It's empty. So the another junction.
We have another junction. We're not lost.
We have
know
stopped.
exactly where we are.
We are not.
Yeah, no problem.
John,
Hello.
where to go? That way?
Ah,
This way? I think straight, yeah?
yeah,
Straight.
I don't
That's
know.
it. Straight.
We've all survived so far.
Celebrate that.
Yeah. Maybe we should stop for a little drink of water.
Little break for water?
Yeah, perhaps a little bit if we find somewhere.
That's good. See?
I did think about bringing my stove to make some. I think John has a mirror. John always has a mirror everywhere he goes.
He's tired now, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long one, so
Okay.
আমরা আজকে কয়জন মিললে আমার নেইবার সকল কয়জন মিললে আজকে আমরা ওয়াকিং করেছি আটার লাগি আটরাম It is one of the most important beautiful working place in Surrey. London takia ite East London takia M25 and then A2023. So আইতে বেশি সময় লাগে না সারে ইস্ট লন্ডন থেকে 1 ঘন্টা খুব ভালো লাগে আটতে কই যাইরাম আমি জানি না আমরা নিজেও জানি না সকল কই যাইরাম কতখান আটরাম জানি না কয় মাইল আটরাম জানি না আটতেও আছে খালি বাট সুন্দর লাগে খুব সুন্দর আটার লাগি যে ট্রাক যেটা রাস্তা খুব সুন্দর আর ওয়েদারটা খুব নাইস আজকে ওয়েদারও লাগিও সুন্দর It's a nice walking track and if you see the dip down oh my god look at that it's nice and dangerous oh. সবচাইতে বড় যে জিনিসটা হইল গিয়া I'm enjoying the birds noise কি সবচেয়ে বড় জিনিসটা হইল গিয়া পাখির শব্দ খুব সুন্দর লাগে পাখির চিরমিরি শব্দ এরপরে বিভিন্ন ধরনের পাখির শব্দ ছোট বড় খাওয়া টিয়া গুগু যা আছে সব ধরনের পাখির শব্দ শোনা যায় নিরাই খুবই নিরাই এরিয়া একবারে নীরবতা কেউ নাই মানুষ আছে আর কেউ নাই আমরাও কয়জন আছি এখানের মাঝে আর কেউ নাই Look at that beautiful forest.
John, did you ever like to go wild camping? Did you ever do that as a kid?
No, never.
An adult?
No. Wild camping.
John is so brave.
Huh?
You?
A lot of things. Brave was probably one of them.
Tell you fly.
That was one of the things my dad always liked to do. Was wild food.
Really, yeah?
He never did it with his dad. His dad
No.
was an alcoholic and was never
Right.
in the picture.
Okay.
He basically did whatever he wanted.
Yes.
And he got into it. It was like organized.
Collie Hill Hitstone Mine.
It was never any good because we'd always burn it. You know, so it looks like a.
What's the edge of the path here?
Hey, don't go off there.
No.
It always did kind of make me wonder why we would always get meat like that.
Really
It was
nice
never
there.
any good.
Watch your step.
It's very narrow, yeah?
Very narrow, yeah.
Careful.
With a bit of a fall.
Yes.
Hey, did you hear about the guy who died on Ben Nevis in the last couple of weeks?
No, I didn't.
A group of 20 some odd guys that were up there. I don't know if they're hiking or climbing or what. I'm pretty sure there's some climbing involved. But they're young, pretty fit guys.
Yeah.
And at any rate, somebody fell and they tried to rescue him and they couldn't and he ended up dying. But then the military came in to rescue the people trying to rescue the guy who died.
Oh, wow.
The military got stuck. Yeah, it was storming and snow and pretty dodgy stuff.
What's the edge there, John?
What?
What's the edge?
Yeah, right, yeah.
What is it?
The people go up Ben Nevis and
What type of bird?
with absolutely no idea
That
how
is.
long it is or what the weather's like.
No.
So you get these sort of teenagers going up in jeans and a t-shirt and their trainers, being halfway up and suddenly they're in a whiteout in a cloud or snowing and then end up having to be rescued.
Yes, putting the work on the heritage, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, volunteer teams, yeah.
And they do a great job, the volunteers.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Hello.
Where was that?
I don't know.
It's nice, isn't it?
I'm guessing thrush for every bird that sound like they recognise.
Whatever you say, I believe.
Yeah. A toucan.
Yeah.
Feels like quite wild forest, isn't it?
What forest is this? It's not Epping, is it?
It's not Epping, no.
Oh.
I don't
This
know
is
what
not
it's called.
Epping Forest. Are you talking about the Epping Forest?
Yeah, it was mentioned it. Have you been?
Yes, I've been.
It's nice,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes. Not bad. Beautiful, flat and
Yeah.
up and hill as well.
Yep.
Wow, we are very close to the mountain, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, excellent. It's nice.
Not here, no. There are some children that kind of might remind you of something.
Now main part comes. We have to go up This is uphill. Ita hইল গিয়া গাছর জ্বর আইয়া বাইছে রাস্তার মাঝে
It's a real tree. Being single person, it doesn't cook. That's a real tree.
So bad, and then the willpower. It's crazy.
They want to plant so much, yeah. That's it, don't they? They want to
And
be,
they want to exactly.
Yeah.
They
so much.
that even they overcome that whatever life thing. Yeah, I'm sure a bull at least. Yeah, I was reading a bit about that. There's this video that's it's about the Lake District and such. Oh yeah, well, it's talking about the sheep pasture land and just the economics of that. It's basically like, you know, being a sheep herder there, you lose money every year.
There's no money, yeah.
Like you literally, if it's not, I mean, his body is mummified, you know.
That's right.
So it's so cold, but just incredibly brave men, you know, because they're doing it. And back then, of course, they didn't know what was on the top of it.
আমরা লোকে যে আটের তার নাম হলো জন ও যে দেখরা আপনারা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড মিডল তার বয়স হলো 73 বছর এটার লগে আমরাও আটাত পারলাম না 73 ইয়ার্স আমরা কই আছি আর হে কই আছে আই এম ভেরি স্ট্রেঞ্জ
We need, yeah, okay.
What about that way? Very hard?
No.
Ah, so uphill. Look at that.
This one's better.
Whew. So, আগে যে কথা কইছিলাম তার বয়স 73 বছর আপনারা মনে করেন নি বয়স আইয়া আপনারা আটটা পারবা আর এই বয়স পাইবা মনে করেন নি পাইলেও কোন জায়গা থাকবা সারাদিন বিছনাত থাকবা মনে হয় সো সময় থাকতে শরীর ঠিক করা লাগবো you have to be fit
I done it one over a period of time.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's good to hear. Still improving then.
Yes.
23 years old boy
Yeah. Oh,
working
boy.
with us today
Harry Enfield, the old git. The old git. So I used to watch stuff that was funny. Oh, it was good.
Starting.
for our today's adventure working in Surrey. All credit goes to Nathan. Because of Nathan, we are here today. Yes, 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 yes. What do you think, guys? It's because of Nathan we are here. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. All credit goes to Nathan. Thank you very much. We appreciate for these activities.
Well,
And it is really great tour today. And hopefully you will arrange some beautiful tour in future.
we'll do it again, yeah.
Thank you.
Excellent. Off you go then, run to the top.
Yeah, there's no left. It's only right. Are you okay?
Okay, alright, thanks. Yeah.
Finally, we found some views, beautiful views. Oh.
Might not get up if you get down. Almost an Iranian.
Thank you very much. Wow, it's really cold.
Yeah, bye-bye, Maddie. You disappear. I thought that I might get hay fever today, but I've not had a problem so far. I did take a tablet.
Right on the walk. Street.
See the deep right hand side. It's a very deep place. It's very nice to see. এখানে যদি ফরো তো শেষ আর তো কইয়া পাওয়া যাইতো না। (1909).
Come in, come in. John, do you want to come in?
Not a very flattering view.
There's a number of forts along here, like I was saying, but it was to defend against France.
Okay.
In like around 1800.
1800.
1800.
Yeah, so this is before aeroplanes and stuff. When England was expecting a land invasion, which it never came.
That brick looks in good shape.
Doesn't it? Yeah, 200 years. From Germany, and coming back, and crashed here. These are sculptures to kind of represent the aeroplane. So this is where the ends of the wings were.
It's like an indication.
Yeah, exactly. Well, just to show us.
Okay,
where,
show
where
us.
it
Well,
was.
yeah, yes.
Yeah.
I suppose it's no inscription. That's the idea.
Say where the Americans are from.
1889 সালে ফ্রান্স যখন লন্ডন ইনভেশন করতে চেষ্টা করেছিল তখন ব্রিটিশ নেভি তেমন একটা শক্তিশালী ছিল না। তাদের উপকূলীয় অঞ্চলকে রক্ষা করতে তারা কিছু ওয়ার টাইম ডিফেন্স সেন্টার তৈরি করেছিল। এগুলো হচ্ছে ওয়ার টাইম ডিফেন্স সেন্টার ফর লন্ডন। তখনকার সময় নর্থ ডাউনে 13টি ওয়ার টাইম ডিফেন্স সেন্টার তৈরি করা হয়েছিল। রায়গেট হিলের এই ফোর্ট সেন্টারগুলো ওয়ান অফ দেম। সোলজার ডিফেন্স সেন্টারগুলো বানানো হয়েছে অত্যন্ত সুকৌশলে, সম্পূর্ণ বেসমেন্টে বানানো হয়েছে এবং কমিউনিকেশনের জন্য অনেকগুলো উইন্ডো তৈরি করা হয়েছে যাতে কমিউনিকেশন করতে সুবিধা হয়। ডর এবং ভয় নিয়ে ব্রিটিশ সোলজাররা এই সেলগুলোর মধ্যে দিন রাত্রি কাটাতেন। দেখেই বোঝা যাচ্ছে সেই দিনগুলি অত্যন্ত ভয়াবহ ছিল। ওয়ার টাইম ডিফেন্স সেন্টারগুলোকে এমনভাবে ডিজাইন করা হয়েছিল যাতে বাইরে থেকে কেউ বুঝতে না পারে, তাই এগুলোকে হাইডেন সেন্টারও বলা হয়ে থাকে। রায়গেট হিল ফোর্টের মেইন গেইটের দিকে কিছুটা লক্ষ্য করে দেখলে বোঝা যায় তখনকার সময় ব্রিটিশ সোলজাররা কতটা ভয় এবং আতঙ্কের মধ্যে ছিলেন। তীক্ষ্ণ পুরো এই ইস্পাতের গেটটি দেখলে মনে হয় শত্রুর মোকাবিলা করতে কতটা অসহায় ছিল লন্ডন স্কিম অফ ডিফেন্স। দীর্ঘদিন অতিবাহিত হওয়ার পর 1906 সালে ব্রিটিশ গভর্নমেন্ট মনে করলো এগুলোর আর দরকার হবে না, কিন্তু 1914 সালে ফার্স্ট ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়ারে এই ফোর্টগুলো ঠিকই কাজে লেগেছিল।